Hi beauties, it's Delilah with Delilah Speaks, and today I'm going to talk about Anastasia-Dream. This is an awesome glow kit that I received a couple of weeks ago for my birthday. Thank you, Erica. I love this palette so far. I haven't tried it on, but I did swatch it on my skin. And for some of you people who don't know what swatching on the skin means, it just means that, you know, you put it on your skin and you're able to see the highlight, and I'll demonstrate what a swatch means right now. These are the amazing colors, as you can tell. I swatched them. So let me show you what swatching means. All it means is you just take a little bit, right? Tap, and you swatch it on the skin. See, as you can see, that's what swatching means. I'm actually going to do my full face. As you can tell, I'm bare right now. And I'm going to show you what this highlight glow kit does. Subscribe below, share it with your friends, and let's dive in. Hi beauties! So I got my base done, and I love highlight. I'm going to put highlight on my cheekbones, on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and also I'm going to use it for eyeshadow today. That's right, I'm going to use a highlight for my eyeshadow today. So thank you for my top for my birthday. I love the thing. I've gotten gift cards, I've gotten roses, flowers. I got this awesome tea kettle warmer thing. I did need one, so thank you to the person who gave it to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm huge into like the golds. I love the golds. I don't know if it's because I have more of an olive skin tone, but I love golds. I kind of dug my nail into the Wish one, but this one's called Sunshine right here. So I used the Anastasia eye primer, and I used the Anastasia eyebrow pomade, and I'll show you what that is like. So as you can take a look here, look at that. Oh my gosh, Anastasia. So funny that I'm using Sunshine. I used to, almost like 2 to 3 companies that I've worked for, people have always called me Sunshine as like a nickname. I don't know where they get that from. I would always be called Sunshine, so I'll take it. So as you guys can see, Sunshine. Look at that. Yes, darling, yes. Okay, let's do this side. I'm gonna put a little on the balls of my cheek, but I'm going to use the unicorn for the balls of my cheek. I'm gonna switch it up today. And I'm gonna use unicorn. All right. Let's see what unicorn is like. Ooh. You may be like, well, why is she putting highlight on the cheeks, on the balls of her cheeks? Because I can. Why not? Look at that, the unicorn. How it goes into the sunshine. Wow. So what I'm going to do for my eyeshadow, like I said I would, I'm going to start off with Sunshine again. And right here. Man, you guys know me, I love highlight. So today I'm going to highlight to the highlight gods. Highlight. I kid you not, I love highlight. And let me tell you, this video, people make fun of me because of this video, because of this highlight. I'm gonna look like a robot or something, but that's okay because I love highlight. Magic, what I used in the middle, and I'm gonna use Regal. The virus, the quarantine. I know it's kind of challenging for me because, you know, like I can't really see my friends. You know, we do like the whole Zoom meet and things like that, and I have meetings through Zoom and with my coworkers and things like that, but it's not the same, and I'm a social butterfly. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish spray, and I'm going to spray my brush. Okay, I'm going to tell you why I'm going to do that. It wets the brush a little, and I'm going to use it with my glow kit from Anastasia, so it can be a little more pronounced when I'm applying it on my eye. Do you see the difference? So all you have to do is wet your brush a little bit and you'll get more pigmentation from your highlight. So I'm going to do that here because I'm using my highlight also as an eyeshadow. I wanted to just show you guys the colors. Oh my gosh, that unicorn color is just popping. And I love this regal pink color. It matches my top, which is from Rachel. Thank you, girl. For my top from Secondhand Curves. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight. Okay, so look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes. It's the Dream Glow Kit. So I'm gonna give you the final look in just a moment. Hi beauties, and this is my final look with the Anastasia-Dream-Glow Kit. Oh, as you can tell, I love it. And something I wanted to share, there's a married couple that I lost from my childhood church, David and Nadine. I wanted to share a memory with you guys. Nadine gave the best bear hugs ever, and David was always the sweetest to everyone. And that was just something I wanted to share with you guys. And life is so short. Don't take it for granted. Embrace each day. Tell me what your thoughts are if you do get this kit, and if you don't, tell me what you think about this. I wanted to do something different and I did. Some of the products I used today for my foundation, I used the Becca Full Coverage for foundation. I used the Anastasia pomade for my eyebrows. And I used Maybelline Superstay for my concealer. Yes. And of course, the Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia. Comment below, subscribe, and share. I will talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Love coming your way. Bye.